What is this area name?
Mumbai.
This is Mumbai.
Also not here.
Crawford Market. Okay, Crawford Market. What is famous? Like what is famous here?
Perfumes.
Perfume, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, brother. Abu Bakr, you're from Africa?
From Chad.
From Chad?
Yes.
Oh, I am from Sudan. So guys, I met one of my African brother here in Mumbai. From Chad, right? Yeah, I'm from Sudan. Arabic malum also. I speak Arabic.
Very good.
Okay.
Thank you.
So what do you do here?
Business.
Business. Okay, that's great.
Let's go.
Yes, hello everyone. Super Prabhat. Namaste to all the Indian, your African boy Gabs Gabi here. And today I am in Mumbai. We are going to explore the last day of me being in India, guys. So tomorrow morning I am having a flight to Africa, finally back to my home, South Sudan, guys. So I have been in India for a very long time, more than 4 years, guys. So I have been studying and I completed my study, guys. And today we are going to explore Mumbai. Actually, it's not my first time to be in Mumbai. Like, this is the second time to be here in Mumbai. And because my flight is from Mumbai, guys, so like I came here. So I have 1 day before my flight. And you know what is gonna be special about this vlog? Hello, namaste, bye.
Here my friends.
Your friend.
So-
Hi, how are you? All good?
Very fine.
Enjoying, huh?
Very fine. What is your channel name?
Gabs Gabi. Hello, sir. Hi, namaste. Fine? Hello, sir.
Where are you from?
Fine. I'm from South Sudan, Africa. Yes.
Thank
Yeah, thank you.
Wait 2 minutes. We are searching your.
From South Sudan, Africa. Yes. What is this area name?
Mumbai.
This is
We are
Mumbai.
also not here.
Crawford Market. Okay, Crawford Market. What is famous? Like what is famous here?
Perfumes.
Perfume, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, brother. Channel name Gabs Gabi. Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you, brother. Hello, salam alaikum. Tamam. Your name? Abu Bakr. You're from Africa?
From Chad.
From Chad?
Yes.
Oh, I am from Sudan. So guys, I met one of my African brother here in Mumbai. From Chad, right? Yeah, I'm from Sudan. Arabic malum also. I speak Arabic.
Very good.
Okay.
Thank you.
So what do you do here?
Business.
Business. Okay, that's great. For me, I was studying and part-time blogger also. I do YouTube also. Yeah. Nice to meet you, brother. Your name is Abu Bakr. Abu Bakr. Thank you, Abu Bakr. All the best. Okay. Gabs Gabi. Gabs Gabi. Okay? This one. Okay. We got it. Okay, bye, brothers.
Subscribe your channel.
Okay. You say this area is Crawford Market. Okay, thank you. So we are in Crawford Market, guys, and actually the main purpose of this vlog, because I'm going to leave India, guys, so I decide to come and try one of my favorite food before leaving India, because I know I am gonna miss that food. That is butter chicken, guys. So now I am looking for that place for the butter chicken, guys. I'm going to hunt the butter chicken here. Hello, brother. Salam alaikum. Kullu tamam. Marhab. Yeah. So they say this place is famous for perfume, guys, and this is why actually I came also here. Like back home, a lot of my relative and friend, they requested to bring some Arabian perfume, guys. In case you don't know, like the Arab people, guys, they are so famous. They are so famous in perfume. Like you see everywhere here, you will find perfume, guys. Like this is what's so special also about this place. They have very quality and amazing perfume. Like you can find whatever you want. So I already bought the perfume, guys, but I want to take you to my last taste of butter chicken, guys, and have the view, guys. Mumbai, guys, is so huge, very big city, and like very busy, guys. It's not only about being huge, very busy, and people are so busy running up and down, guys, like, oh my gosh. So it's nice. And another thing, guys, like I just came to know, like I see a lot of Muslim people around here. Like from the local train I go down, the station that I go down is called Masjid, and this place is called Crawford Market. I also heard Crawford Market is one of the famous, guys. One of the famous and cheapest market in Mumbai. Yeah. But also if you are looking for fashion dress like men or gen or ladies, you can go to one market. They call it Fashion Street. Yeah. But this Crawford Market, guys, like it's famous like general market. You can find whatever you are planning to do. So I found one nearest restaurant here, guys. So I'm so starving, like I woke up late and I did not even had my breakfast. So to say bye bye to Indian with their amazing love and the last taste of, I don't know if you can guess my food, guys. Yeah, I don't know if you can guess my food, but my favorite food, guys, is gonna be butter chicken. So this is like the restaurant I'm going to get it here. So I will just go inside. I don't want to disturb people. A lot of people are inside here, guys. So guys, I'm inside the restaurant and it looks so busy, meaning that like the food is for sure like it's delicious. We're expecting like nice food because if there is so many people in the restaurant, meaning that the food is good, right? This is just like a common sense of it. A lot of people are inside here. Yeah. Okay guys, so finally I'm going to have my last taste of my Indian favorite food, that is butter chicken with tandoori, guys. Like, to be honest, this is the food that I love the most. This is the only food I love the most in India. I can even consume it daily. So I am in Mumbai and we are going to taste this. Let's see how different is it, because for sure, like, I don't know in which place is it famous, guys, or which state do you think that have the best butter chicken? Okay. Yeah. खाना का वीडियो का
ठंडा हो जाएगा
सुपर ठंडा है हाँ अच्छा गरम है So it's telling me to eat. So let's have it, guys. Let's have the last taste. For sure I'm gonna miss this. Yes. Uncle, no tension. Tension nahi hai. Okay. Let's have it, guys. Guys, actually I told them not to put more red chili because I am not big fan of red chili, but they kept most of the Indian masala. You can see how reddish is looking, but the taste has no much of red chili. Don't forget, guys, they usually give lemon and some onion also. This is what will make it also more tastier, and add the lemon. The thing is that, guys, like, everything is good, it tastes so nice, but like, I don't know why they are using so much of oil. Like, this is too much of oil, you can literally see that, guys. But other than this, wow, it's just super tasty. And the chicken is well tender, well cooked, and they did not keep it in pieces. Like, it's kind of like they scattered it like so tiny and small. You can see the chicken, guys, how tiny it's looking. But this is also nice. I like it this way instead of cutting it into pieces. This is so nice, guys. This is so nice. Like, out of 10, guys, I give it 8.5. Why 8.5? Because so much oil is there. But it's nice, guys. It's nice. You can easily consume it. It's so nice. It's not spicy, but the masala is also well balanced, guys. It's so nice. And rating this tandoori, guys, to be honest, this is 9. This is so nice, guys. I have 3 for sure. I have to finish it. So today I have to complete. I actually order full tandoori butter chicken full because it's gonna be my last day. I make sure to eat it all because I'm gonna miss it, and I don't know when I will come back India. I will let you know. Like, okay, rating the restaurant, guys, there's a lot of people inside here, meaning that the food is good. Like, so with no doubt, the food is good because so many people are there. Okay, a lot of people are inside here, guys. In and out, people are coming, meaning that the food is nice, guys. Super, acha. Thank you. Sana super uncle. Okay. Okay. Thank you.